What's going on, everybody? Chrissy Whispers here, and I'm doing a video tonight for you guys, as promised, of how to make a TCGPlayer account. Now, if you're looking to start a small business or you're looking to make some money selling some cards, this is going to be the #1 site for you to move some cards. Now, I will say this now at the beginning of the video: if you sell high-end cards, you can most likely fetch a bigger dollar on eBay for your cards. But if you're just looking to get and push and sell some cards, TCGPlayer is going to be your best friend. So it's TCGPlayer.com. You're gonna click on the whatever it is. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys in case you're too lazy to type it in yourselves, and it's gonna bring you here. All right, once you get here, you're gonna go to the top right hand corner. You're gonna click sign in. Obviously you don't have an account or you wouldn't be watching this video, so we're gonna click make one here. All right, I made an email address just for this video: tcgplayervideo@gmail.com. Put some password in here, agree to terms, create account. All right, guys, look at us. We're big ballers now. We made ourselves a TCGPlayer account, but that doesn't mean you could sell just yet. It doesn't take much, but you technically cannot sell yet. Let's send the confirmation. Go here. How you doing? Confirm. All right, here we are, guys. So like I said, technically you cannot sell yet, but it's as simple as this. Go to the top right hand corner and click sell with us. All right, these are going to be your options, but not really. You're kind of going to have to go to TCG Marketplace. Direct is a video for the future. I don't really know enough. I've watched plenty of videos on it, but I don't have the knowledge to give a video on this just yet. So we're going to go with the just everyday account, sell some cards, TCGPlayer Marketplace, right? All right, guys, so here we are. I'm going to fill in some details. I'm going to skip forward, and I'm going to show you guys what the next step is. All right, guys, so you put in your information. The second prompt is going to take you here. We got to go verify ourselves again. All right, guys, so now here we are. Now, just something I want to go, well, let's give a quick tour. I have listed cards. If you've been watching my video, I did make a collection purchase, and I haven't listed my bulk yet, but I did want to get those cards onto the website as soon as possible to try to move them. As you can see, I already did make an order. When you do have an order, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see a green bar. That means they paid. It's going to tell you their amount, the shipping amount, the total cost, shipping type, status, order date, names, order number, right? You're going to go to manage. On the bottom, it's going to show you what they ordered. On the bottom right or on the right hand side, you're going to get general information and transaction details. But I do want to show you what a page actually looks like once you've made a sale. If you're going to ship cards without tracking, make sure you ship without tracking. If you have a tracking number, you just click add tracking, throw the number in. Now I want to go to the inventory tab. This is your inventory tab. This is where you guys are going to be listing product. If you want to see what's actually listed, you just click my inventory only, you hit search, and it's going to show you all the cards that you currently have listed. When you're searching for cards that you want to list, you need to make sure you don't click on this unless you have it in your inventory already, but it doesn't matter. But just to give you an example, let's say we were looking for we wanted to add a Charizard, Radiant Charizard, first one, but I clicked my inventory only. I wouldn't be able to list it because I don't currently have any Radiant Charizards in my inventory. So if I search my inventory only, I won't be able to add it. But watch this: if you just unclick my inventory only, bang, there are your 2 Radiant Charizards. And when it comes time to add it, you just go, let's say you have the one from Crown Zenith. Let's say you have the one from Pokemon Go instead of Crown Zenith. You go to the Pokemon Go. It's going to tell you the product name, the set, the rarity, and the number. If you're having a hard time finding the card, I mean, Radiant Charizard, it's pretty simple. It's an easy one to find, but let's just say it's a Chandelure, and you're having a hard time finding it. Sometimes it helps to just put in the actual number of the card. That'll help you find the card a little better. You just go to add. So what this page does is, now this is where you would add, if you had any Radiant Charizards from the Pokemon Go set, this is where you would add them. Now, as you could see, it's going to show you the conditions, right? So if you have a near mint, you need to list here. If you have a lightly played, you need to list your card here, and so on and so forth. Shipping. When you set your shipping, I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. When you set your shipping price, it's going to tell you right here what this card is going to charge for shipping. Now, this is another neat feature. It shows you the lowest listing, it shows you the last sold listing, and the TCG market price, right? If you want to match any of these, just click it, right? So this guy is selling this card for $9.99 with $0 shipping. I hit match. So it's gonna, now I charge 99 cents for shipping. So this card is going to be listed for $9. Now I want you guys to understand something right now. If somebody comes to your store and you're charging 99 cents shipping and they buy 50 cards, you're only getting 99 cents to ship those 50 cards. Here's the best way for me to explain this. Let's say a card is listed for $1.09, $1.09 free shipping. Over here, it says $1.09, and over here it says 000, and you hit match. Your card is going to be listed for 10 cents. For 10 cents. So just, the card is worth $1 for everybody else, because over here it says $1.09, but because you hit match, you still have to account for the 99 cent shipping. So the card is only going to be listed for 10 cents. So let's say you have 50 of them. You say to yourself, oh man, sweet. You throw 50, you hit match, you walk away. You're going to sell those 50 cards at 10 cents a pop, and that person is going to pay 99 cents shipping one time. You're going to take a major loss. Make sure that the cards that you're matching aren't going to lose you money. That's just a little bit of advice that I can give you guys. I do want to go over seller levels. Can't just come onto the website and just start listing and selling whatever you want. When you first make your account, you're a level 1 seller. And what that means is this. You're allowed to list up to 100 cards. But if you have 25 cards listed and you have 4 of each of those cards and they're all listed, that's 100 total items. So it's not 100 listings with unlimited quantity. It's 100 total items. Up to $1,000 worth of items can be listed at one time, and no item is allowed to be more than 500 bucks. All right. To become a level 2 seller, you basically need to make 2 sales, ship them out as soon as possible, get them there on time, and 2 people, I mean, it's only 2 orders, so both people have to say you did a good job. All right. Now you're a level 2 seller. What changes? Not much, just totals. Now, instead of 100 items, you could do 500 items. Instead of $1,000 total, it's a $5,000 total. And now instead of a $500 cap, it's a $1,000 cap for the single item. To move up to a level 3, you have to have 11 orders. You have to get your cards out, get them to the people as soon as possible, keep your feedback up, and they will level you up to level 3. You should be level 3 in no time. I posted my stuff yesterday. I already made 1 sale. I'll probably get another sale by the end of tonight. Hopefully, knock on wood. I'll be a level 2 seller probably by tomorrow. I made the account yesterday. And then what, a couple more orders to hit level 3? This shouldn't take a lot of time, guys. This shouldn't take a lot of time. Once you get to level 3, you can now list 50,000 items. Okay, big jump from the 500 items. Literally 10 times jump. That's a lot of cards. No. Yeah, it's a 10 times jump. So now, what can you do? List up to the 50,000. You can now have $100,000 worth of inventory, and no individual item can exceed 20,000. Okay, and then to get to the final level, which is level 4, you need to have 51 orders. Damn good ratio, feedback ratio. And again, just get them out as soon as possible. Once you're level 4, you're the final seller level. As it says, you can list an unlimited amount of items. You get custom shipping options. And I'm not positive on this, but I've watched enough videos to understand the gist of it. Basically, what this does is you're allowed to copy a sheet of an entire set. To some extent, you print out the whole set, and you just input all your information on a Google Doc or a Google Sheet, and you could just import that information. So you don't have to go through this process of going by set and just going down the line and listing this card and this card and this card and this card. You know, you could do. There are definitely major perks to level 4. I've never been level 4, so I can't get too into it. But this is the goal. Get to level 4 as soon as possible, because it's going to open up so many options. It's going to help your business, and I think you get the tools. You know what? I'll show you. When you go to your account, if you go to pricing, you cannot even access this page until you get level 4. This is like the page to have. This is like, from what I've seen, this is the page to have. once you're in the back end of TCGPlayer as a seller, you need this tab. This tab is going to help you out a lot. Can't tell you how, but you need it. Everybody's level 4. You need to be level 4, guys. Get there. All right. That's all for the video. I hope I explained this well enough. If not, I apologize. Leave a comment down in the comments if you have any questions. I'll gladly comment back and explain something if I didn't explain it well enough. If I didn't, I apologize. But I wanted to get this video out to you guys. Here it is. Again, any questions, let me know. If you don't mind, leave a like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys around. Thanks for stopping by.